Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Green Dot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To budget effectively with Green, start by downloading the Green Dot app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account by following the prompts. Provide the necessary information, including your name, email, and phone number. After setting up your account, link your bank account or load funds onto your Green Dot card. Navigate to the budgeting section within the app. Here, you can set your financial goals by entering your income and expenses. Break down your expenses into categories such as rent, groceries, and entertainment. Allocate specific amounts for each category to establish a clear budget. Use the app's tracking features to monitor your spending in real time. Regularly check your budget summary to see how well you are sticking to your plan. If necessary, adjust your budget based on your spending habits and financial needs. Take advantage of the app's tools that send alerts for overspending in any category. Review your budget weekly to ensure you're on track and make adjustments as needed. Remember to plan for irregular expenses by setting aside a portion of your budget. With consistent use of the Green Dot app, you can achieve your budgeting goals more effectively. Make it a habit to update your budget regularly to reflect any changes in your finances. By following these steps, you'll take control of your finances with Green Dot efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.